Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to read articles about symptoms on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Type in your password and then go to the self-care section down below, which is the fourth option. Click on symptoms at the top. Here you can see various categories such as relief, period guideline, take care of your stomach, and so on. So if there's any symptom that you are interested in, you can read about it. As you can see, you can slide left to the next topic and slide right to the next to the previous topic. So if you are interested in it, just simply tap on the relevant one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.